Welcome back to the channel. If you're just starting your online journey and wondering how to set up Hostinger for the very first time, you've clicked on the right video. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through setting up your hosting account and registering a domain so you can launch your website without any confusion. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share some quick tips to avoid common mistakes beginners make. Let's get started. First, head over to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, look for the What's Login button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. But if you're brand new, you can quickly register using your email, Google, or even Facebook. It's straightforward and takes less than a minute. After logging in, you'll land on the hPanel dashboard, which is where you'll manage everything related to your hosting and domains. Now, let's set up your domain. On the left-hand side of the hPanel, you'll see the domains option. Click on it and you'll be taken to your domain portfolio. Here, you'll see any domains you already own. Since this is your first time, let's add a new one. Click on Add New Domain and use the search bar to check if your desired name is available. Choose a domain that's short, brand relevant, and easy to remember. Once you find the perfect match, go ahead and register it. Make sure the domain is registered under your own name so you have full ownership and control. After completing the purchase, your new domain will automatically appear in your domain portfolio, ready to be connected with your hosting plan. From here, you can start setting up your website, whether it's WordPress, an online store, or a portfolio site. Hostinger makes it beginner friendly, so you don't need advanced technical skills to move forward. And that's it. You've successfully set up Hostinger for the first time, created your account, accessed the hPanel, and registered your domain. You're now ready to build and launch your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new website journey.